In this video, we're gonna dive into the story of Emma having her breakfast. Lastly, I'll teach you the words in yellow. Emma's morning breakfast. Emma woke up early one sunny morning. The birds were chirping outside her window, and the smell of breakfast filled the air. She stretched her arms and smiled. It was time for her favorite meal of the day, breakfast. Emma went to the kitchen, where her mother was already busy cooking. On the table, she saw a plate of fresh pancakes, golden brown and stacked high. Next to them, there was a jar of honey, a bowl of fresh strawberries, and a glass of orange juice. "Good morning, Emma," her mother said with a smile. "Are you ready for breakfast?" "Yes, Mom." "It smells delicious," Emma replied as she sat at the table. She picked up a pancake, drizzled some honey on top, and added a few strawberries. The first bite was sweet and soft, with a perfect mix of flavors. She sipped her orange juice, feeling refreshed and ready for the day. After finishing her pancakes, Emma looked at the clock. She still had time before school, so she decided to help her mother clean up the kitchen. "Thank you for the lovely breakfast," Emma said. "It was perfect." "You're welcome, dear," her mother replied. "I'm glad you enjoyed it." As Emma got ready for school, she felt happy and full of energy. A good breakfast always made her mornings brighter. Chirping. The sound birds make. Stacked. Arranged in a neat pile. Drizzled. Poured in a thin stream. Refreshed. Feeling fresh and full of energy. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.